Hey, Wealth Whisperers crew. Today's challenge can change your future, building your first $1,000 emergency fund. You might seem worried. What's that emergency fund? Emergency fund might sound boring, but it is your personal power up against life surprises. We are going to break down what it is, why you need it, and how you can get there step by step, even if you are starting from zero. So, first of all, why do we even need an emergency fund if we are a teen? Imagine your phone got stolen, car crash, or you need to pay a surprise fee for your school trip. If you don't have backup cash, you might borrow, stress out, or even miss out. An emergency fund means you can handle surprises without debt or drama. It's financial armor when life throws you curveballs, or board them away and keep going. How much should your emergency fund should be according to your age and why it is always $1,000? You see, expert always says that an emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months of essentials, and that's true for adults. For teens, $1,000 is a perfect starter. It's big enough to handle most surprises, but small enough to reach less than a year, sometimes in a few months, if you get creative. So here are some rules for this challenge. Save $1,000 as soon as possible, but without skipping out on fun or going broke. You will track your progress, building good habits, and celebrate every $100 you hit. Here's the secret to complete your challenge. Change your mindset. Don't think saving is lame. Think saving is freedom. Every pound or dollar means one less panic moment. Step 1. Set your goals and make it real. Write down your goal that I want to save $1,000. It's not magic, it's purely maths. Decide your timeline. It can be 3 months, 6 months, or even a year for few months. Now break the $1,000 into smaller goals, like $100 or $200 at a time, and celebrate mini milestone with something cheap and fun, like your favorite snack or a gaming session with your friend. Step 2. Find the money. Let's talk about some ways to grow your fun. Side hustles like babysitting, dog walking, tutoring, graphic design, etc. Some part-time jobs. Check your local shops or online listings. Funnel your extra income straight into your emergency fund. And at last, sell your old stuff. Everyone has that old books, phones, old clothes. You can declutter them and even earn at the same time. Step 3. Cut cost without killing your social life. You can save fast making small changes like bringing snacks from home instead of buying one. Always use public transport or walk instead of Lyft or Uber. Pause unused subscriptions like gym you never go to, streaming or you don't want to watch. Buy secondhand or swap clothes with friends. Limit impulsive buys. Do this 48-hour rule. Wait 2 days before spending on wants. Tracking your spending in an app or notebook can help. Aim to save at least $10 or $25 per week. That's $520 to $1,300 in a year if you keep going. Step 4. Automate and hide your savings. Set up a separate savings account, one you won't touch on a whim. Use auto transfer to send in a fixed amount every payday, babysitting gig, or pocket money. What you don't see, you won't spend. Pro tip. Change your banking password to emergency fund. Now, every time you log in, you will remember your goal. And if you receive any money for your birthday, holiday, or a gift from your parents, always put a chunk in your emergency fund. And at last, stay motivated. Use a notebook to track your progress or share your progress with your parents. They will help you with them. And always reward yourself with your favorite snack or a gaming session with friend once you hit your another $100. For those of you who have hit your $1,000, well, take pride. You are now protected against life random cost. Don't touch this fund except for real emergencies like medical bills or traveling home. If you want, you can even set a better goal. Add a goal for another $1,000 or shift attention to another financial goals like learning to invest or saving for your first. So, who all are ready for this challenge? This challenge is not about just money. It's about stress-free living, freedom, and being the legend who is ready for anything. Leave a comment below with your saving tip or stay story. Share this video, it will help you, and hit subscribe for your weekly dose of Wealth Whispers wisdom.